Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, or welcome. So today, you can probably guess from the title, we are doing a H&M haul. I don't think I have shopped from H&M in like, I would say about 10 years. I probably haven't shopped there since I was like 14, 15. I was never really a big fan of H&M. I was never really a big fan of like their knitwear. I just felt like their stuff would kind of like, what's the word, like come apart. But then I saw a lot of like influencers and YouTubers. This is why there is a H&M haul. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, I would link it up here for you so that you can have a little look at like my photos. But you'll be able to see a lot of outfits and how I style them on there before a YouTube video is done. And I think I've actually done a few photos that are already live on my Instagram from this H&M haul. So if you don't follow me on there, go and check me out. That'd be amazing. Anyway, so the first item here is this gorgeous blazer. I got this in a size 6. Got it in this gorgeous colour. So it's like black, pink, and it's got a bit of like khaki in there as well. I'm just going to do a close-up to see if you can actually just see the colours properly. I think it's easy that you can just layer it on a lot of outfits, like a nice high neck, roll neck, black one, which would be gorgeous with some nice cigarette trousers or jeans. It's really nice quality. They also have this like really nice like gold detailing, and I think it just makes something so more expensive, especially clothing items, when it has that gold pieces on there. I find like sometimes silver kind of makes things look a bit cheap, so I love the fact that they did some gold detailing on there. It only just has one button here where you can just like button it up at the front, but other than that, it's really nice. I like all the little accents that they've done on here. I like the tweed kind of detailing of it being like 3-4 colours. So the next item is actually like one of my favourite items. It's so basic, but you can't really go wrong. So it's just this oversized tee, and it's Friends. I mean, who doesn't love Friends? Let's be honest, who doesn't love an oversized tee? Who doesn't love Friends? Because I don't really know many people who don't. This one actually has a price on it, and it was only $9.99, so I think that's such a bargain. It's such a nice like soft cotton material as well. The print on it is really good quality. It doesn't feel like it's going to come off at all. So you know when you get those sorts of like tees where it has like a print in front of it, and the more you wash it, the more it might start to crack, or you feel like it's going to peel off. I feel like with this it probably won't happen. I got this in a size medium, so I got it in a more oversized fit, and I think that the medium fits perfectly. I like the fact that you can crop this and like tuck it under a bralette for a more cropped fit. It looks really nice with straight leg jeans, which I did try in an upcoming video that you would actually see, which is my outfits of the week. Yeah, it really looks nice with some like light wash straight leg trousers. They will look nice with some leggings, cycling shorts. You can't really go wrong with an oversized tee, and obviously the print just gives it a little something something. So yeah, so I got a pair of like denim jeans. I wanted to like invest in more jeans. I just find jeans so difficult to find, you know, the fit on me. I find jeans just don't fit me the way that I want them to. So I'm on the hunt to try and find the perfect jean. I'm on the hunt to just venture into different styles. Instead of it being skinny jeans, I'm venturing into like balloon, mum, straight leg jeans, and these I believe are straight leg jeans, and this is from the H&M Conscious range. I think the Conscious range is more of like recycled material, and here they are. It's really hard to show, but I really loved that like distressed detail in here, the really big rip on the knee. I think it just gives it a bit of something, and it's just like a lot more edgy, so I do really like that. I love the wash of the jean as well, so it's not like too blue, if you know what I mean. It's just like a perfect like autumn winter transition jean. I do think like in the winter months I tend to go more for like darker wash jeans, and I just like the fact that this isn't so bright but it isn't too dark as well, so it's such a nice transition. What size did I get this in? I got this in a UK 6. Yeah, you can tell that this is from the Conscious range because it's a lot more stretchy, it's a lot more durable. You can just feel it in the fabric as well. It's just not as like a stiffer denim like most of them. I don't know if H&M run a bit small, because I haven't bought from H&M in the longest time. This, because it's not as high-waisted as well, I feel like I want it to be a lot more high-waisted, and the more higher I pull it, the bit of a camel toe situation happens. I do generally really like this, but it's just not as high-waisted as I would like. I love the fact that they did this like leather detailing at the back. This makes something look more expensive, especially on jeans. I love this touch. Zara does this a lot of the time as well on their jeans, and I just think it just makes it look more expensive. So the next item is a really nice cozy white oversized jumper. It has a nice v-neck as well. It's not too plunge, which I think is perfect, especially for the colder months. I don't like things too plunge when it comes to like knit jumpers, because the whole idea of having a jumper is to keep you a lot warm. You're okay, it gives it a bit of something something, and it makes you look more, I would say, what would it make you look more? Maybe just look more put together, I suppose. But I just think low neck jumpers just for me is a no-no, unless I'm going somewhere where it's like I'm going outside but then I'm going into like a pub or something and it's a lot more humid, a lot more hot, then yeah, okay, I get that. How I styled this with is I hung one arm off the shoulder, so just to give it more of that slouchy kind of like feel. I did really like this, however it was a bit of an itchy material. It wasn't as soft as I hoped it would be. I'm just going to give you a close-up of the material because I'm really rubbish at explaining materials. So this is, it's kind of like this like fluffy material, if you know what I mean, but it just wasn't as soft as I'd hoped it'd be. And also as well with white, it just collects on my hairs because I've got such dark hair. Feeling it here, it does feel really soft. Just on the skin, wasn't as soft as I had hoped. If you do have sensitive skin, this might not be that great for you. I think this come in other colours like a beigey colour, a camely colour, and I think a black. So the next item I picked up were these nice flared leg trousers, and I'm pretty sure you have seen, if you haven't seen my last haul and actually the couple of hauls before, I do like picking up some nice flared wide leg trousers. These are quite different, but these are like a ribbed material, but more of like your loungy kind of like material. So I'll just show you here if it wants to focus. There we go. So it's kind of like this material. So sometimes you get some like flared leg trousers that are more like styled for like nighttime outfit, but this is like a loungy piece. I would probably wear this more like pajama wise because I do really like the fact that it's just super comfy. I love the ribbed material in on it. Thing is, again, I don't know if H&M run a bit small. I do struggle with like trousers and jeans in general just because I am 5'3", so I'm more on the petite side. I'm a little bit taller to the point where I can't necessarily wear the petite range because sometimes they do come a bit short, but then at the same time I can't go, I just find like sometimes standard sizes can be too long on me, especially jeans and flared trousers especially. But I just find that this just fits so perfectly. It literally ended on the right length, so it was like my ankle length, and I think this would be perfect with like chunky trainers. But the only problem is if you are taller than me, these will run really small, like they will just be like very short on you. So I've got another pair of jeans coming up which I'll show you next, but they came up really short as well, and I'm like, I'm 5'3", so I'm like, if anybody's taller than me, it's just not gonna work. Do you know what I mean? So I don't know, comment down below if you've had that trouble with H&M, if you do actually know that H&M do run a bit small, or you've had trouble with their denim and their trousers just being too small. Like 5'3" for me, these trousers were absolutely perfect, and I would highly recommend these just purely because of how comfortable they are. I would just wear this as like lounge attire, or if I just need to quickly run to the shop, you know, and like pair it with like a top like this. So here are the denim jeans that I was just talking about. So these are another pair of straight leg jeans. These are more of a lighter wash, and I got these in a size 6, so this was $19.99. Again, like I said, I don't know if H&M jeans or trousers in general just run a bit small. These were really nice, and I would have styled these with a friend's tee, like an oversized tee. I like the fact that it has some rips at the knee, and I just like the fact that it just has a bit of distressing up here by the waist area. It just gives a bit of something, an extra texture. But yeah, it just fit a bit snug around my waist, and it wasn't as high-waisted as I hoped it would be, and again, it wasn't long in the length. Then again, I do find with straight leg jeans in general, because I have tried a few, but none of them quite fit me as how I'd like them to be. They're just not as high-waisted as I'd like them to be. They're not as long. So I don't know if it's just that style and it's meant to have a bit of a cropped fit. So I'm thinking if I just size up, maybe it would work. I don't know. I do recommend these, but maybe just size up. I do like the wash of the jeans. It's just a shame that they don't fit as how I would like them to. So the next piece I bought, I just think is a staple, especially for the transition between summer and autumn. Are we in autumn now? No, it's the 19th. I think autumn starts on the 22nd. It's just this like oversized shirt, which you have probably seen in so many YouTubers or Instagrammers hauls. I just think it's such an essential, especially for a layering piece. This isn't a thick shirt, it's quite a lightweight shirt. This is like a cotton shirt, so it's nothing like, you know, thick. It's perfect for the days where it's just a bit warmer, and also as well, I just think it's so much easier to cuff. I've just undone the buttons and then I just cuff them up. There's not really much to say about it. It's just your basic green oversized shirt. I think it's oversized. Well, I got it in an extra small, and it did fit really nice. I kind of wish maybe I got it a bit bigger. So not really much to say about it. It's just pretty much an essential for an autumn piece. These come in a lot of colours as well. I'm sure if this isn't within your like colour scheme or colour palette that you like, I'm pretty sure you will find a colour that you would like for this shirt. I think we are now on to more jumpers. Yeah, I think we've got some jumpers and some cardigans, which I just think you're gonna love. But this one here is just a oversized sweater. I say oversized, I don't think it's oversized. I bought in an oversized fit, but it's just this nice sweater, which I think it just says Harvard at the front. Yeah, it does. I posted this picture also as well on my Instagram, so I will just pop it on the screen for you. If you don't follow me on there, I highly recommend it, because you will see a lot of outfits on there way before a YouTube video comes out. So I really like this. It's not too thick again. It's kind of like a thinner sweater material. Inside it has a nice like little, it's kind of like a cotton feeling, but it's not fleece lined, so you're not going to get too hot. I just think this is perfect for a layering piece. It's nothing that's going to keep you massively warm if you're going to have those really, really cold, you know, winters, but it is like a perfect layering piece where you could just put like a polo top underneath, you can put a high neck top underneath. But yeah, I really liked it. I love the colour of it. It's kind of like an acidy like grey colour, which I really liked. It's like a distressed washed out grey, which I thought was really nice. I got this in a size medium, and I'm not 100% sure if it came in an extra small, but I would say probably small, medium, large, but I got it in a medium because I just love oversized jumpers, especially in this sort of period. But yeah, I will link this down below as well, and that's what I have actually forgotten to say. Any items that you do like, etc., I would make sure that all the links are in the description bar for you so that you can shop them for yourself. This is one of my favorite pieces. It is this really nice oversized, and this is an oversized blue cardigan. If you haven't actually seen this, you're probably living under a rock, because number one, this is on my Instagram, so again, go follow me on there if you don't already, and I have seen this on a lot of influencers' Instagram pages. This was the item that kind of persuaded me to do a H&M haul. I just thought the colour of it was lovely. It's not necessarily an autumn / winter colour, but I just thought if you want a bit of colour and yeah, and you're more of a colourful person, this is 100% amazing. I love like the big blue like button. I love the fact that they made the button the same colour as the cardigan, makes it a lot more cohesive, makes it a lot more just like nice, you know. I really love this. It was really nice and oversized. It is fairly plunged, so if you wanted to wear something underneath, that's perfectly fine, it'd be okay. But also as well, I kind of like these sorts of like styles of cardigans. I like to pull it a bit back so it's not as plunged, but it looks like it's like a high-low effect, so higher at the front, lower at the back. But yeah, highly recommend this. You will see how amazing it is actually in the try-on clip, because I love this. I would style this with some jeans, some leggings, cycling shorts, anything. Like this will go with pretty much anything. You probably would just have to obviously like match it with something very neutral, maybe like white or black, nothing extravagant. Let this cardigan do all the talking. So soft, so nice, very thick material as well. So again, 100% recommend. Okay, so I think we only have like 2 items left. So this is kind of similar to the white oversized jumper that I showed you, but this is in a cardigan form, and this is like an eyelash material. This is a lot softer than the jumper, I will 100% say that. Again, there's not much to say. I find it very difficult to explain cardigan, but I just think it's such an essential. You can make this as a layering piece, you can wear this undone, you can wear it literally just like this with some skinny jeans or mum jeans, whatever, leggings. And I just think that these sorts of tops are essential, especially in the autumn winter months. I just find this material so cozy. Like you just can't go wrong with getting things in this material. If you don't want to wear this out, you can wear this obviously as loungewear or as pajamas, etc. But yeah, 100% this isn't a cropped fit. I mean, you could say it was cropped, but it's not cropped as like some cardigans are, you know. It probably just sit just above your waistline, so just above your jeans, rather than it showing a lot of skin. And last but not least, I got this kind of like stone cardigan. It's not, is it the same colour as what I'm wearing? Probably a little bit darker, I would say. Yeah, so I got this stone cardigan, and this is a wraparound cardigan. It's going to be really difficult to show you. You probably see it more in the try-on clip, but it's just this like wrap around cardigan. It has the tie detail in here, and it's really nice. It's kind of like a longer line cardigan, so it just goes below your waist. And I really like this, but this is the sort of knitwear that I was talking about in the beginning, where I always felt like their knitwear was a bit more cheaper. This feels a lot more cheaper. It feels like that it's gonna start coming away. Do you know what I mean? You know, when like it's cheap and then it splits and then it kind of like unravels. I feel like that is what would happen to this. I know Zara do like their own version of this, the tie round like cardigan. It's not as soft as I'd hoped. It's not as soft as the other cardigans that I've tried in this haul, and I just feel like it's just more of a cheaper material. And I think this was a lot more expensive actually than the blue cardigan. So if I was to choose between this and the blue, I think I would choose the blue over this 100%. Okay, so that's all the items that I bought in the H&M haul. I hope you like this video. This haul has actually brought a lot of faith in H&M for me. Like I said, I haven't bought from them in the longest time, and this haul has kind of restored that faith back. There's a couple of pieces that I'm a bit like not really a fan of, but literally I think this is probably one of my most successful hauls on my YouTube channel. So I'm definitely going to be doing another order when there's more autumn pieces that come through. 100% I think I'm going to place another H&M order. But yeah, so that's it for the haul. If you did actually like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up and the post notification bell so you can be notified every time that I post a new video. That would be amazing. I also would like to take the time out and actually just say a massive thank you for those that have been subscribing to my channel. I've only been uploading for about a month, but the love and support and the subscribers that I've actually gained over the last month has actually been really, really nice. I know it's not a massive amount and I know I'm still a smaller YouTuber, but to have people that don't know me subscribe and actually like my content, it actually means the world to me. The more subscribers that I do gain, amazing. I love you, and that would help me and give me more confidence to provide more content for you. So yeah, if you do like me, please subscribe, please like the thumbs up, please actually comment down below what sort of clothing hauls that you might like to see in the future. Yeah, anyway, I hope you liked this video and I hope you liked me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.